G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor, and today this is paradise for me. Look at this. These are the mountain ranges above the McDonald River, and I'm in a place called St Albans, about 30 minutes from sort of northwest of Wiseman's Ferry. Look at these mountains here, and look at this open paddock. Just beyond the trees over there is the McDonald River. And the purpose of today's survey, we'll start with what we're using. We've got the Leica TS16 fully robotic total station and a Leica CS20 controller. And I'm just about to go paint some pegs here. I've been using a little mini prism here, bubble, to mark out these pegs. What have we got? So this is a house. Someone's building a house here, and I've got some pegs. This one here at a distance of 2.3 to the corner. Give it a coat of paint. I like to paint the tops of the pegs too, because that way you can see, or the stakes, sorry, so you can see everything. Here we have 2 meters to the corner. Again, painting pegs. Now some people wouldn't go to the effort of using paint. We've got this dye mark spray paint here. People wouldn't actually go to that effort, but I quite like putting paint on the pegs. Why not? And a bit of pink ribbon so it's easy to see. This one 2 meters to the corner. And why have I got it 2 meters? Well, it's just far enough away. 2 meters is there, and I'm here. 2 meters far enough away to do excavation and various other things. For example, here's 4 meters to the corner. Give it a coat of paint. Beautiful. And we just got a few more here, so you can see where my total station is set up here. There's no problems with parking out here. This is an old peg that I had placed, which I'm going to remove soon. Got a brand new peg here, 4 meter to intersection. And finally a peg on the intersection of the walls, which is always handy because this peg can be used to measure in all different directions. So we can string a line from this peg just there over to where the total station is. We can turn a right angle and pull a line out there. So it's a multi-purpose peg. So that's some of the ideas of what surveyors do when pegging out a house. You would see that sometimes, you know, you don't have to put in so many pegs. Sometimes people only put in 4 pegs, and sometimes people put in more. But I like to put in enough so that the builders have confidence using the marks, and they don't have to do as much measuring. It's nice to be able to just pull a line between the pegs and get going. So again, what a place to work. This is St Albans, McDonald River. I'm the Global Surveyor. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe. Watching it on TikTok, make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you also, if you're interested in supporting the channel, there is a way of subscribing for a small fee, and you might get a few extras. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. See you later.